Many people have photographed the craft from other planets, and they're all similar in structure. Most of them, just about all of them, the ones that aren't remote control, run on magnetic energy. And we have a source of turning solar energy into magnetic energy also with a certain crystal that's mined on the moon. It coats the coil in the dome on the top of some of our ships. And we have a magnetic pole that runs to the center of the ship, and we create our own magnetic atmosphere. And there's magnetic waves that runs through the atmosphere in bands of 3. And the ships always travel on the middle band, and so that's why they go this way, and then they'll go up and go this way, because they're hitting the middle band, which is the strongest. And they can go higher and higher, and as their frequency gets higher, then they vibrate at a level where they disappear from human view, almost like they're invisible. Even though they can still be there, you just can't see them because they're at such a high vibratory rate. It's like a fan blade spinning rapidly, and you can see through the blades. And you're thinking, how can I see through the blades? Because they're moving very rapidly. That's a different vibration. It's similar to that. We travel through time, we travel from dimension to dimension, and we travel through space. And we have these capabilities, and it's all because we're working with nature. We're not using fuel. We're using like radio waves and TV waves. I mean, they exist. You can't see them, but they're there, and they are capable of carrying a craft that works with this magnetic pull factor like gravity. And when you're using nature, it's much easier. You don't have to travel at the speed of light, and you're not limited because of fuel. So it's something that we wish to share with people eventually, like I said, in the future when it's not going to be used for anything negative. It's a delight to travel in them because you feel like you're sitting in a room. There's no feeling of movement except for what you can see. And it's magnificent to travel through space and to be able to, see other planets coming into view. It's just like, it's very much like being on an airplane. You know how thrilling it is when you get up there and how wonderful things look from high up. You don't have the limitations of knowing boundaries. Your Earth or your planet becomes your planet that you share with everyone because there's not the boundaries of your cities or your states or your countries. It all becomes one, and you realize, wow, we share this little planet here. It's not like, oh, this is my city or my country. That's no longer visible. So it gives you a sense of being able to look at things from a different perspective.